Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video, we're going to show you how to troubleshoot backup camera issues on Audi vehicles. Now, on Audi around 2010 and on newer vehicles, there is a dedicated backup camera module. Here we have a 2015 Audi Q7, and this vehicle does have a backup camera. So, to troubleshoot it, plug the YOUCANIC scanner into the OBD2 port on the dashboard, turn on the ignition, do not start the engine. Then turn on the scanner and go to diagnostics and select Audi. Here you have the option to do a smart VIN, automatically detects the VIN, which basically selects the model for you. But sometimes it doesn't always work, so you can manually go to select the model. So like in this case, we have an Audi Q7. We can go and select it from Audi Q7, 2007 and newer. This is 2015. So we would select this number 30 here because you don't want to select Audi Q7 2016 and up, 2007 and up, and then here we select 2005. Okay, press OK again. Go to diagnostics, go to control modules, and keep scrolling until you see the backup camera control module. That's here 6C, line 46. It says 6C backup camera control system. You want to select that. Now if you get no communication here, it means maybe that model does not have a dedicated control module for the backup camera. Like I said, pre-2010 it was just a simple connection from the camera to the head unit, but now they have a dedicated camera. If you know you do have a control module for the camera, backup camera control module, and you get no communication, that means that module is not getting power, is defective. So you're going to check the fuses and the wires to it, and maybe the module itself is bad. Here we can, if you see the screen that you are connected to that control module, you have passive fault codes and active fault codes. Passive means that it happened in the past and it's not a current issue, but and passive codes will clear. You might want to hit save here and save it on the scanner so you can have it for later. But active codes are the current issue that you want to address. So you can see here steering angle, G85 sporadic, and go back. Here are the codes. I would expect 3 of those codes to clear. Maybe they all might have cleared, but no, yeah, see 1 did stay, and that makes sense because this was an active code and you need to address that issue before you can clear that code. Now, if you go to ECU information, you can see the part number and software versions for that module. You can see that here, can be helpful. But go to live data as well, and go to custom list, select all, press OK. And then we are looking at the data that the backup camera monitors, and this data does get updated live. So if you started to put the shifter in reverse and things of that nature, these data will update. Just make sure you have somebody operating the vehicle while you look at the data here live. And that's it. So that can help if with some certain issues, if you have an Audi that backup camera is not working. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.